vacuum cleaner with the highest airflow rate. An airflow rate of 50 litres per second. From now on, all vacuum cleaners will have to measure up to this. High wattage is yesterday's news. Now it's all about the airflow rate. Maximum airflow guarantees exceptionally deep cleaning. 50 litres of airflow per second. Only one machine can do that, the Z6 Extreme Power Edition. 50 litres per second means 3,000 litres per minute and 30,000 litres in 10 minutes. Efficient air dynamics means high performance and energy efficiency. The innovative air guidance system reduces resistance and optimizes dust retention. Wider hose and adapters guarantee optimum airflow. The hose extends away from the hand grip, preventing blockages, and even sudden movements won't produce kinks. The latest extreme compressor technology achieves 45,000 RPM. This allows compressor blades to drive 50 litres of air per second through the system. An airflow rate of 50 litres per second. Siemens Z6 Extreme Power Edition. From now on, all vacuum cleaners will have to measure up to this.
Siemens, the future moving in.